Hello coffee lovers! Today we will talk about the grind size of coffee. The grind size of coffee has to do with many parameters. The most critical one is the method you will use to make your coffee. The faster the percolation, the finer we need to adjust the grind size. Another parameter that is critical is the roast level of your coffee. Also, the process that they apply to coffee after harvesting will affect the grind size. It is not certain though that all this information will be printed in the label of the coffee you buy. Additionally, the storage and the freshness of the coffee will affect the grind size. As the coffee ages, we need to grind it finer. As you can see in the picture, the grind size is measured in microns. Many users confuse the numbers indicated in the disc of the grinder with the size of the coffee particles. Each grinder uses a different measurement on the disc or in the button that controls the grind size. Therefore, it is not a correct reference point. Even in coffee shops, they are using a more general reference like espresso, paper filter, French press, and so on. Therefore, I believe that the best solution to find the appropriate grind size for your device is to have a grinder. Besides that, coffee beans last longer intact than the ground coffee. So, by having a grinder, you have more fresh coffee and you can find the grind size that suits to your device and according to your preference. There are many different grinders you can buy, but personally, for home users, I suggest a good manual grinder. Most electric grinders hold an amount in the bar chamber, so it is more difficult to adjust the grind size because you need time until you see the difference you adjust. Grind the portion unless you know its capacity and you grind the exact amount. The filter of outing device that comes in the standard packaging fits 7 grams of ground coffee. Compress with the bottom of the measuring cup, screw very tight, add the equivalent water, which is 50 ml, and press the button to start the procedure. If you have a slow extraction that lasts from 25 to 30 seconds, the grind size is correct and you will enjoy a balanced espresso. If you have a very slow extraction that lasts more than 30 seconds, the grind size is fine and you will have an over extraction with bitter characteristics. That means that you have to adjust the grinder coarser. If you have a very fast extraction, less than 20 seconds, the grind size is coarse and you will have an under extraction with acidic characteristics. That means that you have to adjust the grinder finer. Of course, you might find a grind size that goes out of the time limits that we mentioned, but you will like the flavor of the coffee. That is the main idea. Flavor is subjective to your preference. Play with the limits and discover the flavor you like. That is the beauty of coffee. You make the limits. Thank you for watching. More videos will follow with ideas to enjoy your coffee in and out. See you soon.